totally.
Who are you going to show this to?
Myself. So I can look at myself and look at it, think of how great I look. So this is a chocolate soft saucing pudding, which is a favourite in the Gibney household. And it's normally, you can make it in 4 individual serves, but I like to make it just in one big bowl. But if you wanted to be a little more fancy and use individual ramekins or something like that, you can do that. Really easy, doesn't require a lot of ingredients, doesn't require a lot of time to prepare or cook, which is great. So, talk amongst yourselves. Okay, 1 cup of flour, we've got half a cup of caster sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and then 4 tablespoons of cocoa. Commentary from Isaac in the background. So a little bit of salt. All right, we're going to combine those ingredients. It would have to be the Where's Wally. The Where's Wally meme, which is basically every situation that Wally's ever been in, just there's no one else there. So it's just him. Throw in 2 eggs. I'll grab a spatula to get all this out. Wherever that may be. Let's get a small one, shall we? 2 eggs from the Bunnykins bowl. 85 grams of melted butter. 1 cup of milk. And one teaspoon of vanilla essence, but if you're a real cook, you just sort of, figure it out. Something to say about that much. I know, it's exciting. I'll set those aside so I can lick them later. Maybe I'll share them with Lucy, we'll see. Right, then pour this in. Get it all out. The sauce that's going to mix in with the batter. So at the top you're going to pour 1 cup of boiling water onto it. And it's going to look really runny. It's going to look like it's mixed in together and you've ruined it, but trust me, you haven't. Sprinkle that on top, cup of boiling water, into the oven for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. And you're good to go. Serve it with some ice cream, some cream, more chocolate if you really want. So I'm gonna stop there because... What's that? Oh, good dribble, nice. What's that? What's that? Chocolate? You're a dribble machine, look at you. Oh, the fly. Get rid of the fly. Oh no. He's probably too young, isn't he? You be done? What's that?
I volunteer.
I'm gonna throw that at you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you down because I've got to finish this. I know you're disappointed, but you'll get to see what it looks like when I'm done, okay? You good? Does it say yes? What are you looking at? I'll give you back to mum. There you go. Come on. Okay. Nana.
You want to...
Okay. I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top. Doesn't matter if it's some, it's not dry, if you really want. That'll dissolve in. Look at that.
Is that going to rise?
You just have to remember to smile, and that's different things for different people. Like I love to watch stand-up comedy, and I love to just watch really good comedians and watch a good movie. Being with my family makes me smile. Being able to just relax, getting outside, and food's a good one. Like I love to cook and I love to eat, but then you can't do it too much, or the results aren't always good. The kind of food I like to cook anyway, so like a chocolate self-saucing pudding or chocolate chip biscuits or chocolate peanut butter pie. There's a pattern forming here. But I love to just cook dinner and things as well. Having people over, you know, we can isolate, but we don't have to be completely isolated as well. I think it's, or do we? I don't know. What's the mandate? But if nothing else, just find a reason to smile. There's always a reason to smile. There's always a reason to be happy. Whatever that may be. I don't know.
Dinners or desserts? Probably his dinners are really good. I like his chili con carne. I love that. It's really good. And this fudge. Oh, what's this called? Chocolate fudge?
Self-saucer.
Oh, yeah. That I always want seconds.
You like anything chocolate?
I love chocolate. Yeah.